Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix OBS black screen. In order to fix OBS black screen issue with game or display capture, you would try updating OBS. Updates on OBS website. So you could go ahead and update the application seed that should be able to fix. If the capture source is the wrong size, right click it and go to the transform and reset transform, then choose fit to screen. This could also be able to help you out. The other thing you also want to do is, if the issue still persists on, make sure your OBS is using the correct GPU, especially if you have multiple graphic cards. You could also try disabling hardware acceleration in OBS settings. That would be able to fix. Despite all this, if the issue still persists on, you could also try updating or running the program in an administrative way. So for that, you simply want to right click and open file location, go to properties and select compatibility as well as run as a administrator. That could be able to help. If not, you could also check for compatibility settings. If you're using Windows, explore the compatibility settings to see if any specific compatibility settings are needed for OBS or the game you're trying to capture. And you could also consider alternative. If the black screen persists, explore alternative screen recording software as well. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.